and few other ministers wants Sidramaya to continue the chief minister, and couple of other MLAs want DK Shivakumar as a chief minister. Though the power tussle within the ruling Congress party is getting bigger and bigger. See, I have been indicating from last couple of months. Next few days is very crucial and it's very critical in the ruling Congress government. The race for the CM seat is getting bigger day by day. The number of aspirants are getting more and more. So senior ministers within the cabinet, publicly they are attacking DK Shivakumar. And few other ministers wants Sidramaya to continue the chief minister, and couple of other MLAs want DK Shivakumar as a chief minister. Though the power tussle within the ruling Congress party is getting bigger and bigger, and now Veerappai's statement has added more fire to this entire controversy.
Bringing 15 recliners, VVIP treatment to the MLAs, now the UT Khadar has decided to bring these massage recliners for you. So how you welcome it, sir?
No, it's really surprising. When the state government, when the Congress government is finding it difficult to raise the resources, but when it comes to Vidhan Soda, all the luxurious things, I don't think it was required at this juncture. And crores of money has been spent for CM's house also. When people are in distress, when government is finding it difficult, because power minister himself has claimed, departments are struggling to pay the power bills. State government is yet to pay 7,500 crores for KSRTC for Shakti Yojana. This is the financial situation. And we have been discussing this from last 2 years. Couple of contractors have already committed suicide. The financial situation is deteriorating so much, but it's going to docks and spending, whether it's a lakh or crore, but unnecessary spending money, I think they should have think twice before doing that.